Now I don't have a headlight with a camera. What I'm doing, using a screwdriver and working this grommet up around the body, working it in. It's just something you got to work with. Just don't tear the grommet up in there. And I can't work and hold a phone, so I got to stop the vid. Alright, here it is, grommet in, seated, no water on the inside. Just have to feed your this cable back to the front, or back to the back toward the transmission. So we can hook this thing up. Now, besides connecting my O2 sensor on here, I'll show you how to set the cable and attach it on the bottom right here. That's my O2 harness. That's my O2 connector there. O2 harness. Have to slide this cable to where it locks in right there. Get my clip. Get this clip put in to lock it into place there. This clip. This thing is all the way in park. Attach that on there. And then push that tab down, that cream colored tab all the way down, and it's set. Now connect my O2, put oil in my oil pan, and crank this baby up.